Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a valid government ID, the account email, and backup access. Open Settings, then Personal Info, and locate the date of birth field. This is where you start. Once done, enable two-factor authentication if not already active, because platforms often require extra verification when sensitive details change. Make sure to save your current recovery options, phone and backup codes, so you can reverse errors. Now proceed to edit the DOB carefully. Small type. You will now change the date of birth and supply verification. Enter the correct DOB in the platform's required format. Many use month/day/year, so double check. After submitting, upload your ID, one file, high contrast, no glare, and include front and back images when asked. If the system requests a selfie or live photo, follow framing and lighting tips precisely, because automated checks compare face to ID. Once uploaded, hit Submit and note any reference number provided for tracking. You finish by confirming the change and preparing for potential issues. Monitor your email and account notifications. Reviews typically take 24 to 72 hours, sometimes longer. If the request is rejected, read the rejection reason closely, correct the specific issue, lighting, wrong format, mismatched name, and resubmit promptly. Make sure to save copies of every file and any reference numbers, because customer support or an appeal will ask for them. If delays persist, escalate through official support channels with your documentation ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.